What's going on, everybody? How you doing? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my channel. Greyrock. That is the title of this video. Greyrock method is a popular method used by victims of narcissists. Greyrock is a method used when dealing with narcissists. The greyrock method encourages victims of narcissistic abuse to act like the greyrock. And what do I mean when I say that? I mean that you need to work to make your life appear as dull, as boring, as motionless, as lifeless, as static as possible. Be like a greyrock towards the narcissist. You see, when the narcissist sees that you are very dull, motionless, static, what do you think will happen? They'll eventually get bored. They'll move on to seek attention elsewhere. Now, this concept of the greyrock means that it is very important that you have your interests, your engagements, your identity still going on in your life when dealing with a narcissist. Don't allow the narcissist to believe that they are the center of your world. Don't allow your life to revolve around the narcissist. And that's why we call it greyrock. You know, when you know your worth, it allows you to realize that you are in a negative, you are in a toxic, narcissistic relationship. It will make you realize, to recognize, if you're spending your energy on someone else and it is toxic to you. Make yourself the center of your universe, always. So in short, the greyrock method involves communicating in an interesting way when interacting with a narcissist or an abusive person or a manipulative person. This greyrock name refers to how those using this approach become unresponsive, just similar to the way a rock is. So, to greyrock means to avoid interactions with the narcissist or that toxic abusive person. It means to give very short answers or even one-word answers to questions from the narcissist or from the abusive person, the toxic person. It also means to communicate in an emotional way. The main aim of this greyrock method is to cause to that narcissistic person to lose interest and stop antagonistic behavior towards you. So it is meant to protect the narcissistic person victim, all right? The victim of the narcissist, emotional well-being. So that is the main aim of this greyrock. When we talk of emotional abuse from the narcissist, we're talking of insults, shouting, screaming at you, demeaning you, humiliating you, attempting to control you, everything about you, your finances, your social life, your appearance, your work. You know, it's about extreme jealousy, being possessive, you know, stalking you, monitoring even your emails, social media, you know, breaking boundaries, gaslighting you. So, greyrock method is meant to protect you from all this emotional abuse from the narcissist. To ensure that the greyrock method is effective when communicating with that narcissist, that abusive person, be very brief. Give very short answers to questions. For instance, say yes, no, I do not know. Be very factual. Use simple factual statements during conversations with the narcissist. And don't disclose personal opinions or even information unnecessarily. Make that conversation impersonal. To make the greyrock method effective with the narcissist, avoid emotional engagement. All right? Be detached from the conversation. Try focusing on something else, on breathing. And if possible, avoid eye contact with the narcissist. Then maintain privacy. Don't share personal information with the narcissist at all costs. Don't even share personal information with the narcissist on social media. That way, you will be effecting the greyrock method. But all is not lost. When the greyrock method fails, there are many other ways of protecting yourself. You can try to do positive self-talk, self-compassion, self-care. All right? Have time for yourself. Have some good space, quiet space where you can feel safe. You can go for counseling from a good counselor, therapist, to get some support if you've tried the greyrock method and it's not working. Still, you can rely on your support system, social support system. Have supportive people around you. Family, friends, trusted friends, family, or even community members. They can help you build resilience. It can stop you from being isolated. Share what is happening to your life with the support system. Let them know what is happening. Maintain those relationships with your friends, with your family, where possible. All right? So, in conclusion, we should know that having a relationship with a narcissist can be very dangerous. It can be very difficult to manage such kind of a relationship. The best thing to do is to stay away from such kind of relationships. Walk away, keep away, stay away. Remove yourself from such relationships. But we all know that sometimes it is impossible to be away, to stay away, to keep away, to cut off these relationships. So the greyrock method may temporarily help people, not everybody, but some people. However, the greyrock method is not a long-term solution. It is most likely a temporary solution, especially if you are living with a narcissist who is your spouse or maybe a family member. Because we know that in those situations, that abuse can grow to another dangerous level. So, you should always have a good support system. Trusted friends, trusted family members, trusted community members, trusted neighbors, trusted, workmates, people you trust who can be a social support system. You can join social support groups online, right? Or even physically. This can help. Again, don't forget about self-care. Practice positive self-talks. Take good care of yourself. You need it. All these are important ways to make you, to help you stay emotionally and physically safe and healthy. All right? When dealing with a narcissist who you must deal with them, who you must live with them, who you must be in contact with them, then you must practice these things so that you can be safe. All right? Thank you for watching this video. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, smash that subscribe button. It takes just a second. Make sure you hit the notification bell as well. That way, every time I upload a new video, you get notified about it. Don't forget to Share this video widely to all those who may need it. Knowledge is power, information is power, and learning is a superpower. I love you all to the moon and back. God bless you. Catch you later in the next video.